Hello guys, welcome to 5th generation Hobby Shop. Review testing tayo ng unit. Unit ni Sir Mervin ng Batangas, sir. Shoutout sa inyo dyan, Sir Mervin. This is your unit, the ANC Glock 34 Combat Master by ENC brand. Dito po yung code number EC1202. Ayan, ito yung box. ENC. And comes with 0.23 grams, 4,000 shots na airsoft BBs. And also comes with free green gas, standard power, number 12, Pop Dino. Ay, buksan na natin yung unit. Also comes with the owner's manual. And here's the unit. Taran Tactical Innovation Glock 34 Combat Master Gen 3. This is Gen 3. Ayan. Again, shoutout kay Sir Mervin of Batangas. Sir, this is your unit. The Glock 34 Gen 3 Combat Master by ENC. Ayan. The markings. Okay, meron na siyang rail for accessories. Pwede mo siyang lagyan ng flashlight. And also, meron thread yung barrel niya, outer barrel for tracer units such as tracer unit, suppressor, or mga silencer, yung ganyan. So, pwede mo siyang kabitan. And optic ready na rin po ito. Pwede nyo po siyang lagyan ng optic sight. Red dot optic. And 24 capacity, 24 rounder capacity, 5.95 mm plastic BBs chambered in a 5.95 mm plastic BBs. Airsoft gas blowback pistol. Ayan, serrated front and rear. Meron na siyang cut on slide, window cut slide. Yan. Glock 34 Combat Master by ENC. ENC. Okay. So now, lagyan natin siya ng bala tsaka gas para matest natin kung ilang EPS. Okay, upside down, press. Okay. Lagyan lang muna natin siya ng 2 bala for chronograph testing. Sir Mervin. Okay. Okay, again, this is the Glock 34 by ENC Combat Master. Test natin yung chronograph kung ilang test natin sa chronograph kung ilang EPS. Okay, Sir Mervin, chronograph testing. Your Glock 34 Combat Master by ENC. Okay. Testing. Firing. 343.7 EPS. 343.7 EPS. Okay, next one. 340.7. 340.7. Ayan. Okay, and then nag-open chamber na siya. Dahil dalawang bala lang yung nilagay natin kanina. So, open chamber, just release the magazine by pressing the mag release. Ayan, tapos wag nyo po itong gagamitin, sir. para hindi mapudpud yung slide stop ay yung slide notch, yung pinaka notch dyan, yan pinagkabitan ng slide stop. Para hindi siya mapudpud, ang gawin nyo po, hatakin nyo yung slide. Pag hinatak nyo yung slide, bababa po yan kasi sa mga Glock po, meron po yan spring. So pag hinatak nyo po yan, bababa siya and then release. Kasi pag ito po yung ginamit nyo, yan, ibababa nyo to, pwede naman po. Kaso po, itong part na to, yan, slide notch na yan, between the slide notch at saka itong slide stop, pag lagi pong ganon, nagkikiskisan po yan, ito, possible mapudpud po yung part na yan. Yang maliit na yan. Kung saan sumasampa yung, sumasampa yung slide stop. Okay? So, para hindi po mapudpud yung part na yan, kasi pag ganito po, ayan, every time na ganun po ang gagawin nyo, meron po siyang, kumbaga, meron silang contact. So, magkikiskisan, pwedeng mapudpud. So, ang gawin nyo po, pag nag-open chamber, hatakin nyo lang siya. Ayan, bababa siya, then release. Okay, now proceed tayo sa shooting test. Okay, Sir Mervin of Batangas, shooting test of your Glock 34 Combat Master by ENC. Testing. Gentry. Okay, this one is just a sticker po. Pwede nyo siyang tanggalin. Okay. Firing. Shoot more. Okay, open chamber. Release the mag. Pull back the slide. Hammer down. Okay, Sir Mervin. Okay na po ang inyong unit. Again, this is the Glock 34 Combat Master by ENC. Kung may question pa po, message lang sa aming Facebook page, 5th Generation Hobby Shop. Thank you, sir, and have a nice day.